How to send snaps without media upload on Snapchat. First, open Snapchat and tap the gallery icon at the bottom left of the camera screen. After that, you will see your memories and camera rolls. Browse through and select the photo you want to post or you want to send. From there, once the photo is selected, tap on Send To at the bottom of the screen right here. Choose the person or people you want to send it to from your friend list. Next up, tap send and the photo will be delivered as a snap rather than a regular media upload in the chat. The recipient won't see it as an attachment, it will appear just like a normal snap. Moving on, keep in mind that unless the recipient saves it, the snap will disappear after they view it just like any other snap would. From here, also make sure that your Snapchat is up to date. Open the Play Store, search for Snapchat, and make sure that your app is up to date. As you can see here, the app is up to date, so here is no up to date icon. If your app is not up to date here, instead of open, there will be an up to date icon, so make sure to click on that and you have the latest version installed on your device. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more Snapchat tutorials and tap the bell for updates.